Alright you guys, here I am. I'm looking a mess. My hair is looking a mess. So let's jump right into this wash day. I got my shampoo on deck. And let's see how this lavender collection does. Okay y'all, so the shampoo, as you can see, it lathers really nicely. It smells really good. My hair feels clean. And y'all know this is a plus because I never show you guys when I actually wash my hair. But for the sake of the whole collection, I thought I'll show you guys. But yeah, my hair feels clean, it lathers good, and yeah, it's just a regular shampoo. It's not doing anything special really that I can tell. Maybe when I wash it out, I'll have something different to say. Alright y'all, this is my hair after washing with the shampoo. And honestly, it just worked like a regular shampoo. Wasn't anything special about it to me. It did clean my hair. It did clean my scalp. My hair doesn't feel super dry, which is good, but it's also not the most moisturized it's ever been with the shampoo. So to me, it's just like a regular shampoo. Nothing really special about it. It's just a shampoo. My hair does smell really nice. I do like the lavender scent. It's not super strong, but you can smell it. So yeah, this is it. This is my hair. Like I said, it's not anything really special. It just really pretty much worked like a regular shampoo. And my hair is super tangly right now, so I'm crossing my fingers that this deep conditioner is really good to help me get these tangles out and to deep condition my hair. So that will be the next step. So stay tuned for the deep conditioner. Alright y'all, so we are moving right along to step 2, which is the deep conditioner. Now I've already did the left side over here, and this is the bottle here. So guys, I have to tell y'all really quickly. So as I was putting this deep conditioner in my hair, my scalp started to tingle, and I'm like, wait a minute. So I know that this product has lavender in it, but the last time I checked, lavender doesn't tingle. So is it just me? Is my scalp not liking this? Or is this deep conditioner like supposed to tingle? So I did read the little back of it here, and it says that it had, what is this? Argan mint oil. So it does have mint in this deep conditioner. So just be mindful of that. It does tingle. I was so thrown off. I was like, why is my scalp tingling? Like, what is happening right now? So that kind of frightened me, but you know, reading is fundamental. So once I read, I did see that it does have mint in it. So make sure you're aware of that if you're not a fan of tingling or cooling sensation on your scalp. As I was putting the deep conditioner on the other side of my hair, I just noticed that my hair is like really tangly. Like normally when I wash my hair is not that tangly. And I don't know if it's because I didn't wash my hair in the shower today or if it was the shampoo. So I don't know, you guys. I will have to try the shampoo again to see if my hair tangles like that. And for the deep conditioner, it's actually like a pretty, it's creamy, but it's a thin consistency. You guys know I like thick products, but it's creamy, so I can handle it being a little thinner as long as it, you know, gets my hair moisturized and do what it's supposed to do. Then the texture of it doesn't bother me much. And as you can see, I am able, once I finger detangled a little bit, I am able to just go ahead and glide the product in my hair. It has a little bit of slip in it, not like a bunch of slip, but it has slip. Put a little bit more on my ends. And I am going to twist it up. So right now, my thoughts about the deep conditioner, I do like the tingling sensation now that I know that it was supposed to happen. And I don't know, it does have slip, so I like that. I always like a deep conditioner that has slip so I can detangle. This is kind of why I like to use the product first on my hair before I do a video for you guys about it, because to me an initial review is kind of, I don't know, I can't give you all the information that I could give you if I've used the product like 3 or 4 times. Like right now, I really don't know what the product is going to do to my hair. I don't know what it's going to look like. I don't know what it's going to feel like. It's all just a surprise and a mystery right now. But since most of the times I try out the product, I thought it would be good to, you know, come on here and show you guys just an initial review of the full collection. So I hope you guys like the video. If you do, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. I am being pretty chatty on this video today, but hey, you guys want to see how it works, so, and I'm just gonna keep applying this to the rest of my hair and twist it up, and I'll come back to you guys when I finish, okay? Alright, you guys, so I finished, and I have the deep conditioner all throughout my hair. My scalp is tingling, and it has a cool, refreshing feeling. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and throw on this plastic cap, and I'm gonna take a look to see how long it wants me to leave it on, if it specifies at all. Let's see. So pretty much it's telling me to let it sit on my hair for 10 minutes, or I can sit under the dryer for 20 minutes. I'm not sitting under the dryer today, so I am probably going to let this sit on my hair for 30 minutes. It says 10, but I like to let my deep conditioner sit at least for 30 minutes, and then I'll rinse it out. So I'm gonna let this sit for 30 minutes, and I'll come back and show you guys once I rinse it out of my hair, okay? Stay tuned. Alright guys, so I just finished washing my hair. Well, not washing. I just finished washing the deep conditioner out of my hair, and I'm actually kind of impressed. My scalp feels really good. My hair feels really soft. It kind of defined my curls there. So I'm actually impressed. When I was putting the product in my hair, I wasn't all that impressed, but now washing it out, like, it clumped my curls. It really did define my curls, which is kind of crazy, but yeah. So I really like the deep conditioner so far. It has my hair really soft. It even gave it a little definition. My scalp feels really cool. Like when you're washing it out, my scalp felt really cool. You can feel it with the tingliness. And yeah, I liked it. So we're gonna give 2 thumbs up to the deep conditioner. My styling product I'm gonna use is the Lavender Crush Defining Gel. So it does not say to use a leave-in conditioner with this gel. So today I'm only going to use this gel. I'm not going to put a leave-in conditioner on my hair because I'm scared that it may flake, because it doesn't say use a leave-in at all. Normally they'll say follow up with this leave-in conditioner and then apply the gel, but it doesn't say that at all. Matter of fact, let me look at the leave-in. Hold on. Does the leave-in say use with the gel? So no, even on the leave-in conditioner, it doesn't say use the gel. So I'm not going to use those two together right now. So if you want me to actually use them together and tell you guys how it works, let me know in the comments box so I can know that you guys want to see that. I'll either make a really quick video to let you guys know how it works together, or I'll definitely post what it looks like on Instagram. And I'm going to again go ahead and start styling my hair, and we're about to see how this gel works. I normally never apply a gel without a leave-in, so this is going to be a first as well. So I'm gonna make sure my hair is super wet. Alright, so I got the gel, and it's actually pretty thick, you guys. Oh, this is my hair, ignore that. It's actually pretty thick. So, let's see how this works. And I'm gonna start with that much first. It's really thick. And I'm just gonna apply it to my hair. I do have my dimming brush ready just in case it needs a little extra help. Gonna add a little bit more. I don't know, you guys. I don't know. Maybe I need to make this section a little bit smaller. Let me make this section a little smaller. And then I want to make sure I'm getting my roots. I'm going to go ahead and go in with my dimming brush. The only thing that I notice about using my dimming brush is it gives me even more shrinkage. So sometimes I don't like using it because it will give me a lot more shrinkage than I really want. But I hope it holds. So I'm gonna keep going. Do one more section here. And make sure I get my roots. Because we want those to lay down. So it's kind of doing a pretty good job. But I think it may be a little frizzy. It's giving me frizzy vibes, like it's gonna be frizzy, but we shall see. So I'm just gonna keep putting this throughout my hair, and then I'll show you what it looks like in the end. Okay, you guys, so I just finished doing the back of my hair, and I'm gonna let you guys, I'm gonna move this out of the way, and I'm gonna let you guys see what it looks like. So that's what it looks like. It did give me a lot of definition. It's a little frizzy by my roots, so that's making me a little bit nervous. But other than that, it really did define my hair. You can really see my curls. And right now it's looking okay, but it's still wet. So I'm going to go ahead and do this top knot. And I'm just gonna respray my hair because it kind of got dry while I was doing that. And I'm just using my wide tooth comb to kind of detangle. And I did 2 pumps, and I'm going to see how it works. I like to have a little texture to my top knot, so I'm gonna do 2 big twists. I'm gonna place a few bobby pins to hold it. I'm gonna go ahead and lay my edges, and I'm also going to hit the back of my hair with my diffuser, and then I'll come back and show you guys those results. All right, y'all, so this is the finished product. It's about 95% dry. There's like a small amount of parts of my roots is not dry, but for the most part my hair is dry. And as you guys know, so like you see how short that looks right there. When I diffuse, it gives me more shrinkage. So if I want, I can go ahead and stretch it out, but I'm gonna leave it alone. It's hot. I don't want all that hair on me anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and I might like pull it once it completely dries at my roots all the way so I can get a little bit more length, but I'm definitely not going to do the stretch method. If you guys are interested in the method that I use to stretch my hair when I use my blow dryer, definitely check out the video. I'll leave it in a card. I have a full video on that. But back to this, you guys, it actually gave me some really good definition and hold, so I'm shocked because my hair is thick, and usually any other gel that I've tried doesn't really work besides Eco. But all right, Camille Rose, y'all not playing. I'll show you guys the back again. Just keep in mind that I just finished diffusing, so some of my hair is longer than the other, and I know it's just all a part of the shrinkage, so I already know. I'm gonna stretch it out later, not with a blow dryer, just pull it once it gets completely dry. So yeah, I don't want to mess with it too much because then it's going to give me extra frizz that I don't need. And you guys, I like the collection. Yeah, this line is pretty good. And that's about it, you guys. If you have any other questions, definitely let me know in the comments box as well. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it's not too long. I wanted to give you guys in depth and show you guys the full collection and a full wash day using it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will definitely see you in the next one.